Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make a keylogger with AutoHotkey. The first thing you're going to do is download AutoHotkey, and once we download it, I'll show you the code to type in, and then it'll be simple. You'll run it and it'll make a log next to the file of all the keys you typed. So first you want to download it, you want to save file, and then once it pops up here, you will open it. And then once it opens, it'll ask you this. You'll click yes, and then it'll pop up the install menu, and for you guys it will say install, but for me it's either gonna say upgrade or it's gonna have a custom installation. So once you guys pause the video here, and then once it's installed, then you can just unpause the video and we'll get started. The first thing you're gonna open up is Notepad or Notepad++ or whatever other text editor you want, and you'll type in the following lines to make it. First you're going to want to do set match lines -1. After that you're going to do loop and the bracket, then you're going to tab input var L1 and V. After that, you'll do file append %var %, and then log.txt, and that's going to save all the letters to the file right there. And then you'll just close it, and we'll save that and run it. Also, please excuse my cat crying in the background. It's a little bit upset about being in the crate right now. So I had already made this before when I was testing and making sure that I still knew how it worked. So we'll just name it Keylogger 1. We'll save it and then we'll run. We'll go here, or at least here, let me do it here. So once you're in the folder, you're just gonna wanna, I saved it wrong, you're gonna wanna save it as whatever you name it, and then .hk, because that is the extension. I didn't do that before. Let me delete the old one, and then after that we will simply just run the file. Once it runs, it won't pop up anything. It'll actually open right down here, and it'll begin keylogging all of my keys. I'm just typing random stuff. You can open the text file and it'll show everything I just typed. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.